Hello, one and all, Ryker here. Today I'm doing a little bit of review of January because I had gotten positive feedback from a few people, mainly those I talk to on a regular basis, band, my mother, a few others that I talked to the day that video came out. So I'm doing a overview over January's missorts for the week. So
Say it for what it is.
yeah,
It's you unscrewing your mistakes.
shut up, band. I don't want to be bullied. Like Ban said, this is way more accurate than what I would be able to do just by handwriting. And also, it's a little bit neater, especially since Band helped me out with a lot of the things in here. So thank you, Band.
You're very welcome. And you're welcome to everybody who watches this, because it's going to be a lot easier to digest the numbers.
Yes, most definitely. It's also more damning. So just remember, Tone, you wanted this, even though you're not the only one up there. All right, so first week. There's only 2 days. So the first video here, this video, is gonna be a two-parter for the first week and second week. So January 2nd and 3rd. You guys did very well with only 18 on the 2nd and 20 on the 3rd, with a total of 38 packages missed. So belt 1 got 2, belt 2 got 1, belt 3 got 2, belt 5 got 24, 6 got 27, and 7 got 2. We did 41,000 packages in the first week, and the estimated missort rate for that first week was 0.09, so just shy of 1%. And for things that I also took notice for, so outbound got 1, missing got 7, I missed nothing all that week, and double tads was 21. Now let's go to January 6th to the 10th. Alrighty, so second week. It's gaining a little up there in numbers, percentage-wise. So belt 1 got 16. Belt 2 is 8, belt 3 is 13, belt 5 is 139, 6 is 22, and 7 is just 6 across the board, for a total of 204 missorts and a total of 81,000 packages sorted for that week. Now, technically it is more because there is nothing for January 9th because I wasn't there. I called off. So I'll be right back. Let me go get my notebook. I have notebook. I have notes. All right, I wasn't there for the 9th because, yeah, I was having anxiety attacks due to caffeine withdrawals. What a way to start off the year. So yeah, so for these blank days, I'll do my best to keep record of the estimates throughout the year, but I'm not going to add them on until the year is basically done and over with. So I'm going to make sure to call off as little as possible. Anyway, that's the first 2 weeks done. I'll see you all in the next video.